Struggling to find where to enter that WISE referral code? You are not alone. It is hidden a few layers deep in the menus, and if you miss the spot, you miss out on the bonus entirely. I do not want that to happen to you. Follow these exact steps, and I will show you how to apply it instantly so you can claim that reward. Here is the plan. I will walk you through the exact menu path. We start by clicking your profile icon, then finding the Referrals section, and finally entering your code. It is a simple three-step process once you know where to look. Let us get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your WISE account on the website. Once you are on the main dashboard, look up to the top right corner of the screen. You will see a small icon, usually your initials or a little person silhouette. That is your profile icon. Click on it. This is the gateway to all your account settings. I have navigated through this menu dozens of times, and this is always the starting point for anything related to your account, referrals included. A drop-down menu will appear. Take a moment to scan it. You will see things like settings, notifications, and your account details. From that drop-down menu, you need to find and click on the option that says Referrals. It is usually listed towards the middle or top of the menu. Just look for the word Referrals and click it. This will take you to a new page. This is your referral hub. It is where WISE tracks who you have invited and any bonuses you have earned. But right now, we are here to enter your code, so look carefully at this page. You will see a button that says Enter a Referral Link. It might be a small text link or a button with an arrow. Click on that. This opens up a text box where you can paste your code. Now, this is the critical moment. You should have your referral code or link ready. WISE allows you to use either a specific code or the full referral link. Just copy it from wherever you got it and paste it into that empty field. Make sure you are pasting the entire link or the correct code. I have seen people accidentally leave out a character and then the system does not recognize it. Once it is pasted in, click the Submit button right next to the text box. Now, give it a second. The page might refresh, or you might see a small confirmation message at the top of the screen. This is your proof that it worked. You should see something that says you have been referred, or that your bonus is pending. Do not close the page yet. Take a screenshot of that confirmation, just in case you need to contact support later. It is always good to have a record. And here is the really important part. WISE usually requires you to complete a qualifying action to unlock the bonus, like sending a certain amount of money or making your first transfer. So check the terms of your specific referral offer. The code is applied, but the reward needs that extra step to be released. If you run into any issues, here are some common fixes. First, check that you are entering the link correctly. Sometimes a space sneaks in at the beginning or end of the text. Second, make sure your account is fully verified. If your identity verification is still pending, the referral system might be locked for you. And third, if the button itself is missing or grayed out, you might already have a referral applied. Double-check your account history, or just try the process again from the profile menu. Let me quickly recap the whole thing so it sticks. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. Click Referrals from the drop-down. Click Enter a Referral Link. Paste your code. Hit Submit. Check for the confirmation. It really is that straightforward once you know the path. Go ahead and claim that bonus. You earned it.